it's really weird to work in. When you middle click to tumble around, it feels weird. And then it gets stuck and you're trying to reorient things and it's not very good. There's no undo, so if you really screw up, you're better off closing and opening Blender all over again. You can press G to move, which is fine, but if I try to constrain it by an axis by pressing X, Y, or Z, that doesn't happen. Oh jeez, this is confusing. But no, okay, so that's gone. And the zooming is super weird. I'm not moving the mouse anymore. It just keeps going. It's good to know. 0.0007. That's close enough. So that's in position now. We don't want to move it at all. And then we'll click spin, and that should. Oh, it works from the current view. Okay. So now we need to go back and do everything again, because if I press Control Z, that changes the view mode. So there's no Control Z, it just takes Z as the input, or Z. So let's keep trying. Got the 0.07 again. Beautiful. Okay, we've got a donut. Finished! Not quite. I mean, it looks good enough. Yeah, it seems to work that way. So if I let go there, nothing happened. And then B, and then box select, that works. But that then puts us into circle select. That's so weird. We want to zoom in. Ooh. I'm giving myself an hour to do this. You might not see every single struggle that I have, but we'll see. I don't think there's a scale function. This is where I get scared, because I'm like, I've come so far. What do I do now without breaking everything? So that I can visually see I have selected something, which is not the other thing in the scene. That's there. And then if I go here... Oh, no. So don't trust layers. The duplicates will vanish. I am so confused by that. Ah, I'm a genius. I figured it out. So this is a duplicate. So this we will mess around with. So what does subdivide do? Nothing. Beautiful. Love it. Move doubles. No. So what I just did... So we've got auto smooth here as well. Is that going to do anything? No. So S mesh. Ooh, what's that? Okay. There is flip normals. Ooh. Nothing happens when you click that. Oh Jesus. Flip, flip, flip. Okay. Mesh, add. Lamp. See, that didn't seem to add anything. I can't change the viewport now. Why not? Oh, what's that? Oh. Okay, that's different layers. Okay. No big issue. I pressed unblock at some point whilst faffing around. Jesus, it's very glitchy. Solid. Nope. But the difference between solid and shaded are nothing. And now that's just going to freak out the whole time we're here. So what if I click away? It's freaking out there still. Beauty, I've got no idea what that's going to do. Let's click it. Okay, that's a toggleable switch that doesn't seem to do anything. I don't know. I clicked it a bunch of times. Nothing happened. Now, I haven't spent any time playing with materials yet, so this is going to get interesting. That's weird, but I love it. But I can't rotate whilst I'm using it. Okay. That's annoying. So, okay. No. Oh, Jesus. Oh, no. So I've made a transformation that I don't want, and I've left-clicked. So now, yep, this mesh gets deleted. So that works. And continues to freak out. And it's tedious, but but it's the way to do it. As best I can do. This is by no means going to be perfect. And I just want to click and drag here and just select the stuff I want to select. But it ain't that easy. Should I try and save? That's a good idea. Let's save. So Shift A, we're going to File, in, and then we've got Save File here. Okay. Press Enter. Nope. You know what I figure out. Because this is the old, like this is the interface I'm used to. How do you save? Is there a button somewhere? Is it a hotkey that I'm just not going to know? These are all perfectly valid questions. Because that looks like a button, right up until it doesn't. How do you save? Here we go. Okay, so we're in this one. I've typed in donut, I've pressed enter, and nothing's happened. Now what I will do, I'll check my file browser, refresh that, nothing's there. Okay. Is there a missing save button maybe? What? Oh, I've selected every single... Somehow I had selected every single layer. I don't know how that happened, but it did. So what if I just press save? File save. Untitled.blend. Save. I pressed enter with my mouse cursor over the middle. What happens if I go to here? It's saved! Okay. So materials. So I can... Oh, okay. So closing that little pop-up window kills the blender. That's fine. We'll open it up again. Good thing we just saved, eh? I wanted to call it donut, but that was too hard. This is odd. I'm not getting anywhere with materials. We've got paths, we've got this, we've got render settings. Not that I can get that to even work. Back to the materials. I'm not going to try and do an image texture. I was, but it's taken me so long to get this far that I'm not going to worry about. So the baby's up and she's having a really good time. So there might be some squeals in the background. Like that. Beautiful. So selecting the object. You're very loud, baby. Yeah. That's fine. This is a fun video. It's not meant to be a serious tutorial guide sort of thing. Okay. Okay, so now when I press F12, nothing's happening, of course. Not sure about what that is. Not sure why this is freaking out now and all the things are changing around. I still don't know why the viewport looks so bad, why it's so dark. Maybe in the world settings. Not that I can change anything in that, apparently. Who knows? Not me. I mean, that's a donut, if ever you've seen one. In the viewport, it's really hard to see, though. Now, as far as I can tell, there's no way to set the background. But we'll just click here until... There's a node setup? What the hell is this? It seems to be random in what it's going to. There's left mouse and drag to change. What way am I supposed to drag? That way? So in doing all this, I'm not getting back the buttons screen. There it is. Okay. So, in conclusion, I can't figure out how to change the background, but we can get a stunning render. How to get that out of Blender? No idea. I'm not going to keep going, but within an hour I was able to get, by wrestling with it, a donut that looks like a donut, and it's got different colours on the icing and on the donut. And we changed the mesh shape a bit and did a few things, and it's all subdivided, which is not something I was expecting to happen. I thought it was just going to be a big faceted mess. A somewhat donut-y looking thing. Beautiful. It's all in the screen. Looks great. Got no idea what's going on with the pixel up there. We'll pretend we can't see that, okay? It's all good. Thanks for watching if you have. It's been a good time. It's been really interesting toying around with a really old Blender. Not going to keep doing it. If this is something you would like me to keep doing, though, maybe chuck a comment and say, hey, make X or Y, and I'll have a go. Can't guarantee anything good will ever come of it, but I've had a lot of fun doing this, so I'd enjoy doing funny little challenges as well. And yeah, we'll see what happens. See you later.